Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most hyped upcoming devices of the year, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. But this video is different because the internet is full of rumors, leaks, fake specs, predictions, and wild guesses. So today we're sorting the noise from the real stuff. What's genuinely confirmed? What's pure speculation? And what should you really expect from the next Osmo Pocket? Let's break it all down clearly, honestly, and powerfully. Whenever DJI is about to launch something big, the internet explodes. And that's exactly what's happening with the Osmo Pocket 4. Rumors, 8K video, a 2-inch sensor, a built-in wireless mic, 240 FPS in 4K, unreal battery life, a flip-out display. But how much of this is actually true? Let's filter everything, separating rumor noise from real expectations. Noise. People are saying the Osmo Pocket 4 will redesign completely, turning into a GoPro-sized action camera with a foldable screen. Reality. DJI is known for sticking to its compact vertical form factor. A gimbal camera needs a straight grip for stabilization, so a complete redesign is unlikely. What's real? Slightly larger grip, stronger cooling vents, better heat management for higher resolutions, a slightly bigger and brighter screen, stronger 3-axis gimbal motors, improved durability. DJI won't ruin the identity of the Pocket. They'll refine it, not reinvent it. This is where rumors go crazy. Noise. Pocket 4 will have a full 1-inch sensor. Pocket 4 will shoot 8K. Pocket 4 will compete with mirrorless cameras. Reality. DJI rarely jumps to generations at once, but they do make meaningful upgrades. Here's what's actually believable. Realistic expectations. A 1.3-inch or 1 integrated sensor. Much better low light performance. Sharper HDR video. Improved dynamic range. Faster focusing. Better color science matching the latest DJI drones. Why? Because the Osmo Pocket lineup improves gradually but consistently. A step up from Pocket 3 is certain, but not a giant leap into cinema territory. Noise. Pocket 4 will have 8,000 at 60 fps. Pocket 4 will shoot 4K for 80 FPS. Pocket 4 will replace action cameras. Reality. DJI focuses on stabilized cinematic travel footage, not crazy frame rates. Realistic video features. 4K 120f, 4K to 40 FPS possibly, depending on heat. 10-bit D-Log-M, better slow motion, sharper lens, improved DIS plus gimbal hybrid stabilization, AI-powered face tracking to 0.0, cleaner audio. These upgrades are believable, practical, and fully in line with DJI's usual strategy. Noise. Some people claim the Pocket 4 will run for 3 hours straight at 4060 fps, which is impossible due to size and heat. Reality. Expect 20 to 25% faster USB-C charging, better heat dissipation, stable long recordings, new battery-saving modes. DJI improves battery efficiency every generation, but physics still exists. This is the fun part, because here DJI actually is making big moves. Realistic smart upgrades, next-gen subject tracking, super high-speed active stabilization, auto-framing like DJI drones, better eye composition, instant horizon leveling, wireless mic integration, direct live streaming, advanced object recognition. These aren't rumors, these are expected evolutions based on DJI's recent software progress. When we look at every previous DJI release pattern, Mini for Pro, Air 3, Osmo Pocket 3, Osmo Action 5 leaks, a clear pattern emerges. DJI is focusing on 1. Better sensors, 2. Smarter AI, 3. Longer battery, 4. Overheating solutions, 5. Simpler workflows, 6. Professional color profiles, 7. Speed, accuracy, intelligence. So the Pocket 4 will follow the same path. Here's the filtered, realistic, expectation-based spec list. 1/1.3-inch or 1-inch sensor. 4000 up to 120Fs, maybe 240Fs. 10-bit video with D-Log-M. Faster AI tracking. Bigger display. Stronger gimbal motors. Better low light. Wireless mic support. Improved battery. Less heat. Smoothest stabilization yet. This is what DJI can deliver, without fantasy, without hype, and without noise. So after filtering every rumor, leak, insider tip, and speculation, one thing becomes crystal clear. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is not just going to be another pocket. It's going to be the smartest and cleanest travel camera DJI has ever built. No noise, no exaggeration, just real expectations backed by DJI's history, technology, and upgrade pattern. And as soon as more details drop, this channel will update you instantly. So make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the Pocket 4 hype is only getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.